Hey guys, welcome back. Like you said, stay tuned. We're actually planning to go back home, Nairobi. That's where everything is. At this point, I had my firstborn go to college. Empty nesting is real, guys. Sasa tuko back, loading up flights. Hakuna kitu inaweza to hold back. If we are going, we go. I feel Kenya, Nairobi has the best setup for children education. Actually, I did it with my firstborn, and she got the best study ethics. She came back. She was an A student. Sasa ndio huyo college. So, yeah. I think flights. We are checking as of right now. Okay, so it's me and one child. Family comes first. Sometimes this hustle 9 to 5, 24-hour economy, it can get to you. I've done this for over 20 years, and I want to say Uncle Samu kuja mapesa too. It's no big deal. There is no difference whether you're 10 years, 5 years. Get in touch with your home base if you can, or just travel, see the world. You'll be amazed. So yeah, we are trying to track prices. I usually use Google Flights. You can put that tab and it will notify you whether zinashuka or zinaenda chini. So as of right now, literally all I need to do Okay, so I see one here. Actually, not too bad. One small bag, 2 bags. Premium. Economy. Oh, business. Oh, get out of here. 19,000. Yeah. That's for another day. As we stick to what works right now. Bora watulishe, safe, viti ndio hizo, siko tayari. Otherwise, this is awesome. My little girl is so hyper actually. She's busy packing in the middle of her school day. What? You better keep it moving and not look back. Amesha pack, ako ready anytime. Actually home, whether it be any town, the vibe is just welcoming. Africa is home, east or west. Yani as soon as you touch down, hiyo ndege ki touch down, you feel the weight's relieved. I don't know what it is, but wherever we go, God is with us. So me, I'm never held down to, one place. Okay, back to packing more. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you've done this, if you feel motivated. Let me start prepping. It's been a while, so I'm just doing a little maintenance here. Sometimes you save every coin. If you got stuff you can do for yourself, why not? Excuse the mess. Yep. Tunakuja watu wetu, nitroka mushi. Begi muno ni mahoya. No matter what, family come first. However long it's been, holla. Make sure they are good, because you never know. Yep. So guys, thank you so much. Stay tuned. We have a lot to do. We have even a moving sale after this recliner. Whoever wants it, I am literally doing a moving sale. Everything has to go. Yeah, because I'm a travel nurse, and maybe the next time I come, I'll be in another. My job will take me somewhere else. But as of right now, I need to lock up, pack up. Twende tukiendanga. Nwantam huko. For now, na tuombe country yetu sana juu it's one of the best countries. If you've not been to Kenya, karibu sana. Karibu. So yeah, I'm just making sure she's aware of the dates. Ndio aende shule kesho. Sidhani ni leo. Otherwise, thank you so much, guys. Can't wait to eat all that good food. Coming.